Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
And let's just continue here with some more information. I did say that we're on a pre-approval drive today. You know, I understand out there that a lot of folks would like to get into real estate, but they'd like to know if they truly can do something with real estate. They want to know what their options are. Well, today I have got the pre-approval expert in the building. Her name is Sandy. And she would like to pre-approve you, one, to buy a house or to refinance. Yes, there's a pre-approval process for that too. So I would like for you to speak with her, okay, right now. But I'm not going to be doing it by myself. You know, I'm not going to be doing it by myself at all. So just hang tough right there. Once again, folks, this is Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP. Sandy, how you doing today?
I'm doing fine. You know, always happy to be here to listen to this nice music that you play all the time. And also to talk to everyone out there that's listening to us, you know, and that listens to your program every day. Just want to pre-approve everyone today. For those of you that wish to buy a house and you don't know how to go about it, and you don't know if you can qualify or not, if you don't know if you have the proper credentials for it, just give me a call and we will go through it step by step, and I will pre-approve you if that is, you know, the step that we are looking to do. Number two is if you're looking to refinance your property, you know, that also I can help you with. So give me a call today and I will pre-approve you. I will tell you whether or not you can do your refinance. So come on now, guys, give me a call. I'm here. You know, everything is confidential. It will not be done on the air. I know some of you think that, you know, you're on the air when you're calling.
We don't discuss. The only time we get on the air with people, and we're proud of it, is when the true success stories out there. That's when we get on the air, because we don't want to get everybody's business out there.
Exactly.
Now, I know Scott says, Scott, we're ready for you, man. How you doing? Where is he? Is he around here? Scott. Yeah, I know he's somewhere around there, man. How you doing, Scott? Scott.
Missing in action.
It's missing in action somewhere there, man. And I thought I had the man there. Scott, we got you connected, man. Say something to me. How you doing today?
What's the third? You said 3?
He's not talking to us. He's not listening to us. He's talking to someone else in the office. Yeah. He's talking to someone else in the office. We dialed his office, but he didn't know that we dialed him. So.
Oh,
We'll wait for him. We'll wait for him to come in. Once again, folks, this is Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP. Sandy, you are a loan officer at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. You work for a bank, right? Or do you work for a broker?
I work for a bank.
You work for a bank. Do you know what's the difference between a bank and a broker?
Well, you know, with the broker, there's that middle person. So, of course, you know, there's always that extra fee because this guy wants to make his money. Right. You know, so we are direct lenders. There is no middle person. So you're dealing directly, you know, with the bank where we process, we approve, we do everything right there in the premises.
Is it more advantageous for individuals, not just, you know, here in the tri-state area, but around the entire United States? Is it more advantageous for them to work with a bank in contrast to a broker?
Absolutely. You know, you're working directly with the people that will, you know, approve you. You know, your information is not flying from, you know, people to people or hand to hand, you know. So everything is there. All the information that you are providing to us, and, you know, we will make that decision based on, you know, what you are providing. So, you know, there's no middle person again, and, you know, you are saving extra money when there is no middle person.
True or false? Banks have more access to more programs.
Correct.
That is true, right?
That is true, yes.
True or false? Banks can offer more to people.
True.
Okay, all right.
There you go. So
true or false? Banks can do just about all the government-backed programs, okay, while brokers cannot necessarily do all of them.
Correct. Okay. Correct again. So if you're calling First Republic, you are calling the bank and you will have access to all of these different options.
True or false? And I'm being a little bit redundant here, okay? The same programs that brokers offer, banks can offer those programs also.
Correct.
Okay, all right. So it's just that banks have more programs and more advantageous programs than brokers, right?
Correct.
Okay, all right. Just wanted to get that stuff out of the way, you know. So I'm still, you know, Scott, Scott, you just don't get it, man. We already dialed you, man. You dialed, you hung up, we dialed you back.
Yeah, well, I was talking to somebody.
We heard you.
You know, I was talking to somebody important, my wife.
we were listening there for about 2 seconds, and I said, "No, let me cut this," you know. But anyway.
Okay. Well, we went. You know, I was just listening to what you were saying as far as, you know, do brokers have more programs than bankers? And that's funny because it's completely the opposite. You know, bankers have programs that mortgage brokers don't. For example, you know, Sony Mae program, the FHA program, and
well, that's what we were saying. That's what we were saying.
Securitized directly to right.
Scott, that's what we were saying.
I want to make the point clear because, you know, one of the things is there's a lot of bad information being put out on the airwaves and elsewhere, and a lot of people are scared to do anything because all they do is hear bad things. And I think that we have a lot of good things to talk about, and the main thing is people got to find out what the facts are.